Hello from Slovenia again. I will do some ARTEZA review today. I will use these canvases that they send me, so I just have to grab one out. They are 12 by 12 inch stretched canvases, classic, says here. Oops, maybe I should do this before, but now it is what it is. I'm almost done. Okay, so I will use the black one because they send me the black one. They are nice and tight, I can tell you here. And I will do, just a second, no, 2 cups pour over the cup, you know this part already, so I will use these 2 cups, but I don't know if this will be enough. But because this paint, oh, and I will use premixed ARTEZA pouring acrylic colors from ARTEZA. They come in a pack of 32. You have a lot of nice colors in it, so I was just thinking, because they are on the thin side, that I will go with this technique. So this was black, and I will add forest green. I don't know if I shake this one all right. Maybe not. Probably not. You see? Don't forget to shake your paints. And some sea green. Let's add some gold. And some yellow. I will list all the colors in the description box if you will want to see which paints I used. And some white. And this lighter pink. It's a rose pink. And a little bit of neon purple. And I will go with white again here. And leave out the black probably. Forest green. Lighter green. And some gold. And some yellow again. And white. And whoop, this light purple. And darker purple. It's neon purple. I will add some white again here. Okay, let's see, maybe I didn't choose the right colors, but I just go for it. I like it so far. Okay, I'm pretty sure that I don't have enough paint, but there is it's not so much paint in this bottle, so you are a little afraid to use them. Maybe it's not a bad thing, because you will not use it too much probably. Just trying to add a little black around here, because I think that I will need it. If I don't want to lose all of my design that this cup are created. So okay, now we have to do something in the middle. I hope that I will get a private dancer in this forest joke, but sometimes this dips, when I dip the middle with the balloon lately, I think that I get kind of a dancer or a fairy dancing in the painting or something like that. So let's see what we will get this time. And I think that I have a little problem with this If you remember, I didn't shake one of my paints really well, so hope that I will be able to tilt this off, because I just see, probably I don't have enough paint, and I will be able to ruin the pattern totally. So here it is, a close-up. I hope that you all see these beautiful, gorgeous lines. And I have a little problem here where I have this green that I didn't shake, but I'm in love with this painting. That's why I will take this as a lesson. And I see a horse or something here, and this part is just stunning. See, isn't it gorgeous? I'm in love with this part. And this part here too. And I think that this is yellow, that is just enough yellow to get a little something to this painting. So tell me what you think. I think that these ARTEZA paints are just gorgeous, vibrant, and for these techniques like ring pours or straight pours or something, I think that, or this cup bottom straight pour that I do, this part here is a little weird, but okay. I like it. So and I like these ARTEZA paints, and I can't wait to do it once more, and probably I will even use Snera, the same colors, and try again, because I love these colors together so much. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.